We are LBJ Express, and we are building towers. Last year we were here and we taught the kids about civil engineering and different types of engineering and what civil engineers actually build. So bridges, but this year we decided, okay, we're gonna do towers. So we changed up the presentation, we did a quiz for them to name the towers, and we basically are calling it the LBJ Express Structure Design Challenge. So basically we're having them build a tower for 4 feet. It's got to be a max of 4 feet, or not max, minimum of 4 feet. The loading point has to be a minimum of 4 feet also, and they can build the tower even higher. And if they decide that they're going to build it higher, there is more points for the weight. So then I've got 2 engineers that are going to speak to them on a curriculum on, you know, the different tensions and different influences that can impact them, what they need to be knowing. Like they teach them about triangles and building connects pieces. Last year, the bridges only held about 11 reams of paper. So our engineers get super involved with it every year. We always practice together beforehand. We always do our own design challenge, and they're super competitive, so everyone's always trying to figure out, you know, who's gonna win. Yeah, and so they get a little bit competitive. I'm like, whoa guys, let the kids do it. So our focus for several years has been STEM education, pouring into the next generation. As you can see today, we have a lot of younger engineers, so getting them to give back, get plugged in, and teach them these skills. We are building our future engineers, basically. So we give grants back to CFB, we give grants back to HEB, Fort Worth. So we've got different grants that we put out there. So I love to get our engineers out of the office and into the classroom.
I know what you can do.
53 inches.
4 to 5 feet, definitely.
See what I'm saying? So use this part. This is
So no more.
watch out because it's gonna fall down at some point. Oh, look out! Look out! That should get bonus points. Next point. Okay, guys. So you have watch out, guys. Between 4 and 5. Look, hold on, look at this. This is like crooked right here. How is it designed by an architect? That's a bonus.
I think it's
There's number 4. Working like a team. Does anything look like it's it's starting to move a little. How many? You just breathe on it. This one's going. Look out. He doesn't might have a chance. You know, one more little piece would have brought it right down to the floor. That probably would have helped. Oh, look at it moving right here. Moving right here.